What you're looking at here is a Stiga Combi 44E, E for electric, mains powered, it isn't battery. It has a 42cm cutting blade. As you can see from this quick video I did, it's cutting this wet, damp grass with ease. I'll give it 2 cuts. The first one just takes the top off, the second one I'll cut it down to about 35mm. There you go. Obviously it doesn't stripe the lawn, but that's just a high cut because it hasn't been cut for about 4 weeks, maybe 5 weeks actually. Yeah, so it hasn't got a roller. I only paid £50 for it. Can't moan at it. Got a window in there, see when it's full. Take the grass box out now. There you go, 50 litres in there. If I turn it over, then the grass is soaking wet, to be fair. I'll just balance that on there now, on the grass, like that. I'll fire up. There she blows. Stiga Combi 44E. So it's 1800 watt, 1.8 kilowatts. It's quite a powerful little girl. Yeah, can't moan at that. Can't moan at that with a damp grass. Getting the chickens. Put this here now. I'll show you. So, put them up. I can go that way. I can go that way. Watch the cable doesn't go inside there like it has. There you go. There you go. Job's a good one. So there's the short little video I did, just to show you the performance of a little electric mower. Stiga. There you go.